Hi, it's NuWave Oven Recipes. Today I'm going to be cooking up a strawberry cream bread. You may have seen my lemon cream bread video earlier. This time I'm going to be adapting that recipe to make strawberry cream bread. And this bread is really so dense, it's really more like a strawberry cream cake. But the recipe title lemon cream bread for the original, and so this will be a strawberry cream bread. But think of it more as a dessert than just kind of like a casual bread. We're going to cook that up in the NuWave Breville XL Smart Oven and get started on that recipe right now. Okay, so our ingredients for this strawberry cream bread. I've got 2 large eggs, they'll be used separately. I have a 1/4 cup of water. I have 5½ ounces of evaporated milk. I have 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. I have 3 teaspoons of baking powder. I have a 1/4 cup of dehydrated strawberries that I've chopped up. So 1/4 cup there that's chopped up after dehydrating them. I have 2 1/4 cups of bread flour that I'm using. You can use all-purpose flour, but I'm going to try it this time with bread flour. I have a stick of butter. I just kind of softened it up a little because I'm going to have to cream that with my 8 ounces of cream cheese and my 1 1/4 cup of sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and start creaming the butter, the cream cheese, and the sugar now. Alright, got those added in. Now I'm going to put in the eggs one at a time and beat things as they go in. Alright, now I alternate between the salt and the water and the baking powder and the evaporated milk and the flour. So I'm going to put those in and keep beating. Alright, now I should have put the evaporated milk in before the water and let the water be the last fluid, but it's okay. Alright, now I'm going to get things preheated. Got to hit the on-off button. It's already at 350. Going to set my time to 1 hour 10 minutes. And I'm going to, after this, hit my top-bottom button to adjust my top heating element. Bring it down to 60%. I don't want it to overcook the top there. And so with that, I'm going to hit the preheat button and hit start. So now it's preheating, and while it's preheating, and I'm going to go ahead and get my chopped up dehydrated strawberry into the mix. Alright, now I'm going to get the ingredients into a greased loaf pan, so I can grease it, then pour the batter in. That bread flour makes the batter a bit more thick and rich. Okay, things are finished preheating, so got that rack on the lowest rack position in there. I slide my strawberry cream bread batter in, close up, hit start. So we got 1 hour 10 minutes to go, and I'm going to just keep an eye on things and I'll bring you back. Alright, it's been a little over 1 hour. I'm going to go ahead and pause, do a check. And this bread flour has caused it to poof up really high, as you can see there. Just going to stick a knife in there, see what happens. Still needs more cooking time. So I'm going to go ahead and kick it off again. I'm going to drop down that top heating element to, let's do 20% on the top. And I'm going to extend time up to 20 minutes. Give it some more time to run. Bring you on back in a bit. Alright, it's been almost 1 hour 25 minutes, a little longer than with the lemon cream bread ingredients and using all-purpose flour on that one. The strawberry cream bread using, and I used bread flour. Seems to have taken a little longer, but we're going to check it. Alright, seems things are coming out clean, so we'll call that done. We'll turn the smart oven off and we'll set it over here. Now I have to put together my glaze, which is a 1/3 cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of strawberry juice. To make the strawberry juice, I basically took some frozen strawberries, heated them in the microwave, and kind of pressed out the juices from that to give me a 1/4 cup of strawberry juice. Now I will say that the adjusting the heating element to turn that top heating element down some has worked really well. Didn't get a burn over the top or anything like that, and didn't have to worry about covering with foil, anything like that. So I'm thinking my glaze is probably good and mixed now. I'm just going to brush the glaze over the top. Alright, so I'm going to let that hang out cool for about 30 minutes or more, and then I'll bring you back for some getting it out of the pan, cutting it, plating it, taste testing it. Alright, giving a close-in look here as I get this put out on the dish here, the holder for the bread after I get it out of the pan, it is. And it's kind of sticky because of that glaze. That's why I have gloves on, because I don't want to get my hands all sticky with all the stickiness as I dump it out and hold on the side here. I'm just making sure that it's loose on the edges before I dump it out. And there it is. Alright, there it is. The finished product. And you can see I got all types of sticky glaze on my hands there. So good thing I used the gloves for it. But I'm going to go ahead and cut a slice and get it plated here. Man, I'm even getting hands stuck to the plate when I touch the plate. Alright, I'm just going to take the end cut here. Let me get my bread knife. Alright, I cut into it with my bread knife here. So there's the inside, nice and cooked. I'm going to go ahead and swap the camera and do a taste test of this strawberry cream bread cooked up in the NuWave Breville XL Smart Oven. Alright, our strawberry cream bread, I just flipped it back over. Don't know if you can see the actual bits of strawberry in there, but let's do our taste test. It turned out good. Tastes good. Thick and rich, but it's good. Because strawberry is not as strong a flavor as lemon, not as tart, you don't have as strong a flavor as with the lemon cream bread. But the strawberry cream bread is good, and it has a nice flavor to it, so it turned out well. So, I'll have the fully written instructions for the adapted version of this recipe on my blog at superwaveovenrecipes.com, link in the video description. If you ever need to get directly to this YouTube channel, use waveovenrecipes.com, that'll bring you right here. I'm on Twitter at Wave Oven Recipes, Instagram, there'll be photos at Wave Oven Recipes. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, and good eating.